vegetables?
On the second shelf.
Oh wow, I can't wait to make my soup today. Hi, how much is our bill, please? Hello, how much is our bill?
Hello? Can't you hear her? She's talking to you.
What's going on, please?
Your sales girl would not answer my friend. So you heard her and you decided to act mute.
You should have just said so, instead of ignoring her.
You better deal with this. Is that the only thing you're going to say?
I'm so sorry, sir, madam. So sorry.
Listen, sales girls like this will make you lose customers in this place. You better sort it out.
I will handle it.
Then I'm in the car before I do something I don't want to do here.
So, how much is everything? Just give me the card machine, let me pay.
Bella, that girl has luck. How can some people be the way they are?
Tell me about it. Can you imagine? After all the struggle to get to our shop, passing through that horrible traffic, and to be disrespected like that.
Hello? No, she just dropped me off at the bus stop. No, now, why you won't come pick me? You don't need to stress yourself. Don't stress yourself. I'm No, I've checked the bus time. The bus is coming any moment from now, so you coming will just be a waste of time. Yeah, in 2 minutes. We should be here in 2 minutes. And I'll come to you. The place they life, Abi. You guys are enjoying, man. Okay, then I'm coming, man. It'll be good to see you, man.
Women and their wahala.
I tell you, bro. But thank God it's not all of them.
I guess someone is referring to her babe friend here.
Okay. How many bottles have you had to drink?
We are still in one bottle. So I'm sound.
So when you say babe friend, who are you referring to?
Peter, both of us know you only have one babe friend. Your London Mama Bella, of course. Don't pretend as if you don't know.
Now I know you're very, very drunk.
See, come on, Peter. Come on. Bella is your friend. And when I said she is your babe, it means there is something going on between both of you. But anyway, that's not the case.
Bella is a very good woman and we value each other.
I wish that's true. Yeah.
What's up with you? Why don't you like Bella?
Come on, guy. Relax. I never said I hate Bella. I never said so. It's just that your relationship with Bella is not a healthy one. How can a girl who is not your wife nor your mom be ordering you around?
Guys, chill. Bella is not ordering me around. She's a very good woman and I keep saying this to you. She doesn't order me around.
Very sweet girl. Now I know the reason why you refuse to see that my girlfriend's best friend is obsessed about you. She invited herself the other day, all well dressed up, just for you to notice her. You're there thinking about Bella.
That one that look like stockfish.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, it is not going to happen. I've told you, forget this thing. It will never happen.
Peter, I don't blame you anyway. That you're a color mentalist. I swear.
I say you're not wrong. Which one is Kolo mentalist again?
See, let me tell you, my guy. One crazy woman is enough in your life.
Are you calling Bella crazy?
I never said so. I mean baiting. But come to think about Bella, I know women like her. They are all users. The other day I saw her with one man, all cozy together. I know she didn't tell you. He choked you.
No, see, listen. She can do whatever she wants to do, talk to whoever she wants to talk to. She's not my girlfriend, is she?
Really? Anyway, I only sound jealousy here. On one hand, she's free to do whatever she wants to do. So, if she's not your girlfriend, who is she then?
Okay, this is the reason why I keep asking you why you don't like this girl. Bella is not a liar. She's a good woman. I keep telling you this. You should give her a chance to... I don't know. You just need to give her a chance.
You know one thing that will solve this problem? You call Bella, ask her out for a date, and let's see who will back out.
Oh, my friend is drunk.
You can say whatever thing you want to say. But you need to stop deceiving yourself. This is the truth.
How would I even ask my best friend out for God's sake? Who does that?
Peter, do this and see who will back out.
Okay. I think you're Kolo. Something is... I'm going to go. I'm going to the closet.
See, before you're back, I'll finish that drink.
Let me see how you finish it.
I've not even started with you. Let me even see if...
Ladies, hope you're having fun.
Hey. This,
Yes, I am. How?
But you know, your flatmate is an amazing cook. I'm telling you, and she's very generous too, you know.
I'm telling you, you sure she won't mind us eating up all her food?
I personally don't care.
All I know is that I'm enjoying this food.
What's all this talk about Bella? Come on, guys. I do a lot around here too.
Yeah.
And what makes you think that I didn't cook this food?
Yeah.
Since we all already know that cooking and shopping is not your thing.
Come on.
Wait, lady, so please. I hope there is still more food left for her. It would not be nice to finish all this food without leaving some. Seriously, that will not be fair.
What are you talking about? Come on, Ivy. We all know that you're the most sensible, but you are a pretentious person also.
Look at them. Aren't you all being a bit ungrateful? Chop.
Not the small pretender.
Ivy, don't get all too sensitive now. Come on. It was only a joke.
And how is that supposed to be funny?
She was just joking, girl. It's enough.
Girl, why do you always want to ruin it for everyone? But seriously, you always do this every time. It's always about everyone doing what you want.
Are you mad?
Yeah.
I think that drink you are drinking is getting into your stick head.
It's always about you. Calm down, ladies. Calm down. Oh, we're here to have fun. Let's have fun, girls.
Do you know what? I'm leaving. I'm not going to sit here and watch all of you gang up against me just because I'm trying to be reasonable with you lot. You guys can continue eating, making a mess, with no plans of cleaning up after you. My mother did not bring me up this way to be dating like you. Rubbish. I'm leaving, Jerry. Dirty people.
Come on, girl. You're blowing this out of proportion. Come on, seriously.
As for you, I do not expect anything less anyway. Rubbish.
Let her go.
Rubbish people.
Bye.
Oh, no, that makes...
Come on, girl. Don't go.
Please.
Bye.
No, let her go. Leave her alone. Good riddance. She's always looking for someone to take her to stay. Bye. She's gonna come to her senses anyway. Meanwhile, we have a gist you haven't finished.
Of course we do. Yes.
You need to tell me
Let's
about
go,
it.
girl.
Ogechi! Wake up!
You're back.
So why is the house in such a mess?
How was your day?
Okay, why is the house looking this way?
Sorry. I had some friends over and you missed. It was good.
Did you even go to work today?
Yeah, work. Oh, I cancelled.
Again? Girl, what's wrong with you?
Bella! Before you start acting like my mom, just go upstairs, freshen up, and before you get back, I'll clear the mess.
What?
Oh, go, Bella!
I just hope you guys did not finish all the food because I'm starving.
Go! Just go!
Ogechi!
Yes? What is it? Are you shouting my name?
What is wrong?
Why am I shouting your name? Please, tell me there's still some food left for me in this house.
I
told you I had some friends over. So
What kind of stupid friends? What kind of friends will come over, eat all our food, mess up the place? Do they even know how we manage in this house?
I will not have you insulting my friends because of food.
You don't like shopping or cooking? According to you, it's not something you enjoy doing. After I've cooked and shopped, you come over with your friends and eat all my food?
Now you call it your food, right?
Yes, okay. I said it. It's my food.
Okay, well, I don't have time for all this. I can order you pizza if you want. Do you want pizza or not? So that maybe that will shut you up.
Of course not. Do you think I'm upset about the food only? It's the principle behind it. After I've cooked and shopped, you come with your friends and eat the whole food without any thought or consideration for me. And now you're acting like I'm overreacting? Okay, you mean you really don't get this?
You are overreacting. And I don't have time for this drama. Not now.
I'm so bored, man.
I know you invited you here.
Yeah, man. I'm so bored.
Wait a minute. Are you guys laughing at my friend or what?
No.
As if I care. You know, I've always known that your boyfriend is, you know.
My boyfriend is what? No, finish your sentence. Just because I'm defending you doesn't mean you should insult my man. Please, respect yourself.
Ladies. Please, we're not the only ones here. Can we bring down our voice, please?
You tell that to Zara.
What do you mean? Aren't you the one shouting here?
Come on, he's talking to both of you. Enough of all this, please.
Do you want to get something stronger?
I don't mind. Please, I just want to
I'll pay for it. I think the girls did a moment to figure this out.
Peter, I don't mind Irish cream on ice, please.
You calm down.
You know.
Irish cream and ice.
Yes.
Do you want something as well?
I think I'll go with ice, please.
Just ice.
Yeah.
Ice. Felix, just ice. Do us a favor, please. Don't kill yourselves before we come back. And I'll get you Irish cream and ice.
Thank you.
I think I'll start going home. I'm getting very tired.
What's your problem?
We're just starting. What do you mean we're just starting now? We've been here for how, you know how many morning meetings that I normally go to now?
See, there's a development. Calm down. I promise you're not going to look. I tell you.
What's the new development?
See that baby woman? She's been checking out on you. She followed you there and then back. Don't look.
How do you know she'll be looking at me now?
The girl followed you with her eyes in fast.
So it's not you that she's looking at?
If it's possible, she would have. Calm down.
Yeah, but I'm still tired. I want to go home. You know, I have a
Okay, you know what? Just wait. Let me use the toilet and come. Please.
See, hurry up. Oh. I'll take the bus home. You know I like taking the bus.
See, my drink is filled. Don't leave it, please.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Hi. I'm Tracy.
I am Peter.
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. Do you want to sit?
Are you sure? I just don't want to disturb you guys at your turn.
Don't worry about my friend. It's fine.
Are you sure?
Just sit. Yeah, you can
Thank
sit.
you. I think I have seen you somewhere, but I don't think you recognize me, do you?
I'm not sure. Maybe I have one of those faces, you know.
Maybe, yes.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I do, occasionally, yes.
You were sitting down there by yourself, considering how beautiful you are. Men should be lining up to talk to you.
Oh, thank you for all the compliments, but at least you are here now.
I was just about to go home before you stepped in.
Oh, you're leaving early?
Not to worry. Give me your number and I'll call you.
How are you getting home later? Are you driving?
I'm not driving, but I can drive. But my friend is gonna take me home.
Perhaps I can take you, in that way we can spend a little bit more time to get to know each other. Perhaps you can let your friends know that I'll drop you at home.
I'm gonna speak to my friend and I'll meet you outside.
Okay, I'm just going to grab my coat, okay?
Alright!
Hey, bro. You're back.
Yeah.
This one you're standing. Come on. Are you taking her home?
Why do your mind always have to run very fast? She's only dropping me off home.
Peter, I really don't understand you anymore this time. Are you sure?
No, I need to go home. You know I'm already running late. At least you do have 2 girls with you that can keep you company. Zara, you already have 2 girls that can keep you company now. I need to go.
Okay, no problem. Just let me know how it goes with Bella.
I need to start going.
Alright, bro.
Nice to meet you girls. Nice to meet you, Zara. No, it's fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. You have to sit. Princesses and queens don't stand. Sit, baby. No. Come on, sit, baby. You don't have to sleep. You don't have to stand up. Princesses and queens don't stand up and say bye. Do you understand? So I get to see you some other time. Nice to meet you, Tonya. Nice to meet you, Tonya. Ike is going to look after you.
Bro.
He's a great guy.
Yeah,
Ike.
I'll look after my babe and
We'll see you later now.
yeah, alright, bro.
I'll
Just
call you when I get home.
let me know how it goes.
Morning, Bella.
Morning. Did you sleep okay?
Not really. I was tossing around till 3 a.m. I think I'll see Ivy today.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. We should. Hi, Peter. How are you? When? Okay then. I'll pick you up later.
What's going on with Peter?
Nothing really. His ex is unable to drop off their daughter, so he wants me to help him pick him up and pick Olivia up.
Drama.
It's no drama. I'm just going there to pick Olivia up.
You guys, have fun with your drama. I'll take 30 minutes sleep. And I'll see you every later.
It's no drama, okay? Don't start.
Okay, thank you so much for doing this.
No,
Thank you enough.
No, that's okay. Come on.
Hello, 20.
Hi, Livy. Okay, so if Lydia falls asleep, let her stay at your place, okay? Don't be in a hurry, okay?
It's no problem, but we're not going to be too late.
Yeah, you guys have fun, okay? Alright, Livy, let's go.
Thanks for doing this, okay?
That's okay.
Peter, I just want to quickly change.
Oh, that's fine then. I'll just make a call. And,
Okay.
yeah, I'll wait for you in the car.
Alright, see you in a bit.
Did you wash your hands?
Why would I touch anything without washing my hands?
Somebody's giving me an attitude.
What do you think?
I see you're the naughty one. But don't worry, I know how to handle naughty kids like you.
Auntie, I'm not a naughty girl. Don't even let my mum hear you.
I see someone's mom fights their battles.
She's my mum, so yeah, but not all of my battles.
Your mouth! Oh, okay. Are you hungry?
No.
Okay, good. So I'll be in my room if you need me. Okay, be a good girl.
Aren't you supposed to be watching me?
I thought you were a big girl. Are you a baby?
No.
That's good. Call me when you need me. Okay? Be in my room.
So good, man. Babe, thank you so much for coming with me to pick up Olivia. You saved me a lot of talk.
It's my pleasure, Peter. You know, Betty really isn't all that bad.
Huh? She's not all that bad, but she's not nice either. Don't think of it. I think the only reason why she's nice to you is because Olivia loves you. And imagine if Olivia didn't love you.
No.
What would she have done to you?
I don't think so. I think she actually likes me. Yeah.
Do you know what? I'll tell you something. Let us start dating and see how she reacts to it.
Yeah, right.
What if I'm being serious?
Come on, Peter. We are best friends.
So? I mean, best friends get married all the time.
Marriage? Are you serious?
Then I'm not asking you to marry me. Are you saying you wouldn't consider it?
Peter, what has gotten into you? Where's all this coming from?
Look at us. We are going to be good for each other.
You know what? This discussion is beginning to make me feel very uncomfortable. Can we please talk about something else, please? Huh?
Okay. Let's talk about your boyfriend. The one you did not tell me about.
Boyfriend? You know I don't have any boyfriend.
Do I?
What's gotten into you? You've been acting really strangely. Where's all this coming from? Is there something I need to know?
I wasn't going to say anything, but I saw you holding a guy's hand the other day. Bella, you did not tell me this. I mean, we tell each other everything.
Really? Me when? I mean, honestly, are you discussing me with your friends? You know what? I think it's better I leave. It's beginning to upset me.
Where you go? Where are you going? You don't have to. We can talk about something else. It's fine. We sit down now, Bella.
See, Peter, I don't want us to fight. Really, I don't. First, you are asking me out. We've been friends for ages. You've never asked me out. Then you say you or your friend saw me with another guy. Come on.
See, relax. You're overreacting. Oh. This is not how I expected it to go.
Really? Really? Peter? If you were in my shoes, how would you feel? Huh?
Bella, just relax. Calm down.
No, Peter, I need to go. Please, let me go. I don't want us to fight.
So, I am now the bad guy for telling you how I feel about you. Really?
I'm not calling you a bad guy. Please, let me just go.
It's fine. It's fine. Just wait for me so I can finish my drink and we can go.
No, Peter. You can go by yourself. I'm just too annoyed to be in the same car with you right now.
So I should find my way home to your house to go and pick up my daughter.
Okay. Fine. But I don't want us talking about this or anything else.
Fine by me then.
Why are you getting so upset? Whatever.
Barman, the bill please.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Libby.
Yes, Auntie.
So that was your daddy on the phone, okay? He's coming to pick you up very soon. Okay, so pack your stuff, okay? Alright? You done?
I finished playing this game first.
Okay, so just get ready because you can turn up anytime from now, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Let me see. Yeah. So. You're on your way. Okay, where's your phone?
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen. Okay, I'll get that for you. So just get ready, okay? Right. There you go. That's it. Okay, so pack everything. Okay. Okay, good. You okay?
Yes.
No. You should be enough. Now. I'll be back.
So what did you do?
I played my games.
Daddy and daughter.
Okay, thank you so much for having me.
That's
So
okay. That's okay. So where's Bella?
Oh, she went upstairs.
Oh, but I didn't hear her coming.
She just went upstairs.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything is good. You know, we had a good dinner as well.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
But yeah, was she good?
Oh, she was wonderful.
That's good. We're gonna go home now and we'll probably see you some other time.
Okay, alright. Baby, I'll miss you.
Bye, Auntie. I'll miss you too.
Alright, darling. Bella! Where are you? Bella!
I'm dead. Please. Do you want a drink?
No, thanks.
Okay. Just before you even try to say anything, I was trying to return your call, but I think I didn't just know what to say to you.
You didn't know where to start?
Okay. Let's try and be matured about this, please. Right?
I mean, you keep saying things. Be matured about what exactly?
Okay. Let me spell it out to you.
Go on.
You and I, you know that our friendship is not working. You know that.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Okay. I'm struggling to be your friend. I can't be your friend anymore.
Excuse me? Are we kids?
No offense. I'm not like your flatmate, Bella. I'm not as strong and patient like her at all. I don't have the energy.
I pity you.
I don't want to try. I didn't just mean to offend you. I wish you all the best though.
You know you have a lot to say with your mouth. So I have nothing to say to you at this time. Okay? Just have a nice life.
I thought you would have at least appreciate my honesty.
Please, don't got that time. I told you, girl is bad news. Yeah, I told you I know what that girl was trying to do. She was trying to cut me, Ogechi, off.
Seriously? She said that?
Well, not in those exact words. She said, she can't be my friend because...
Oh, at least now you know.
Know what?
Seriously, she's not been picking up your calls. Not every friendship lasts forever, you know. So now everyone can move on.
Well, girl, I moved on the moment I left her house. So that's even still gist. So what's up with your dinner? How did it go? Come on, gist me. You think you will escape it? Come on, talk about it. Okay, alright, gist me. What happened? How did you go?
One of Peter's friends saw me with Don the other day.
So? Aren't you supposed to see people?
I know. But we tell each other everything.
I don't get it. It was just one dinner, and besides, the guy was not your type anyway.
Yeah, but I should have explained everything to Peter.
Okay, so why didn't you explain?
Honestly, I don't know.
I might be wrong, but I think this guy really loves you.
Who? Don?
Who's talking about Don? I'm talking about Peter.
He probably thinks he is in love with me.
So aren't you in love with him?
He asked me to be his girlfriend, you know.
What?
Yep.
What was your response? No. Don't tell me you didn't see anything. Oh my God. When will you both realize that you guys are supposed to be together? Bella!
You know what? I don't want to talk about it right now.
Peter went.
Hey, stop, please. I don't want to talk about it right now.
The caption of the century. I'm going to post it on Instagram.
And I'm very please. Please stop, okay? Please, just stop. I don't want to carry on with this conversation. Let's just have some more brandy.
Okay.
Wallow.
On that note, anyway, you go get ice creams. Yeah, but we need ice cream. Okay. Go and get ice cream. I will mix it.
Alright. I will get it. But you are so lazy.
I know. That's why you love me.
I guess I do. Yeah, I'll get the ice cream. Oh, my head, hangover. Oh, my head is pounding.
So when you were drinking yesterday, you wanted to do the same thing as I was doing.
You see, you was pounding from all that drinking.
Seriously, you're asking me that question. Please, Bella.
Oh God.
Oh, what time is it now? I'm tired.
Let me make us some coffee. Maybe that will help. And I think I will call Peter. Ask him to come over and so I can apologize and also explain everything to him.
Please, you and this Peter. No coffee for me, please. I'm just gonna have another one. When you have alcohol with alcohol, it clears. Just. And I'll be going to the salon later.
What are you having done this time?
I need to do my nails.
Oh.
See, I need refill.
Oh,
I'm
that's
very tired.
That's nice. Alright, I will quickly make coffee for myself then.
Make coffee.
See you in a bit.
Okay.
Hi, Peter. How are you?
I'm good. What's up?
Nothing. Are you free to pop in later?
We try. Well, I'll be staying too long though. I'm a bit busy today.
That's okay. Whenever you're free, please come in, and when you get here, please call me.
Alright, yeah, later.
Alright, see you later. Thank you. Bye.
This area.
Now what for you?
Please.
Why you even ask her?
I rest my case.
Sorry, brother. I'm sorry to butt in. Well, are you talking about Ivy James, the therapist?
Yes. How do you know my woman?
She's my very good friend.
And you are?
Oh, I'm Ogechi, but my friends call me Oge.
The name is Bayo.
Okay, nice to meet you. And if I may ask, how long have you guys been dating?
We're not dating. She is my fiance.
Okay, so you're marrying Ivy? Oh, you don't know who you're marrying, trust me.
Excuse me?
In fact, before I say anything, why don't you give her a call and ask her if she knows Oge? I know she's gonna say a whole lot of things about me, but there's a reason I cut her off.
Excuse me?
Oh, sorry, I was just trying to help.
I don't need any help. I know my woman enough.
Bro, calm down. Calm down, calm down. I know how you feel. But there's nothing there. You can just give me a go.
Why should we call her? We don't even know this woman.
I know her. Just call her. You never can tell.
Can you just finish my hair so I can leave this place?
I'll do that.
I'm sorry. I was just,
That's fine. Actually, can I just get this off?
No problem. Bro, sorry, don't worry.
Can I just leave, please?
Yeah. Sorry.
I don't appreciate anyone talking about my woman like that. Come on, Sammy, let's go.
Uncle, please, can I finish this game?
No, we're going now.
Bye, Sam. Bye, Olivia.
What's your own?
I love the way he defends his woman. He defends his woman. Did I attack his woman? You were just about to start gossiping about her. The reason you didn't succeed is because he never gave you the chance. Listen, don't talk to me that way again. If not, you will not see my leg in front of this salon.
Please calm down, sister. I'm the owner of this salon, you know that. She's only working for me. Please, I'm sorry the way she talked to you. And for you, you won't mind your business, right? You want to pursue this one as well. Please, oh. As for that man, he's married, so he's not gonna kill me.
Because of his woman. Yes, I know. That's why I love him. Love my foot. Rubbish.
Auntie, I'm really hungry.
Okay, baby. Don't worry. We'll leave in a minute, okay? Okay. I really need to go. We'll talk later.
See, Bayo is my good friend. So in case there's any way you want to help me, do let me know, please.
See, I can't say anything here now, okay? Not now.
Alright. Let's meet on our usual place.
You're using style to ask me out. See you. Meanwhile, can I bring a friend?
Yeah. Is she cute?
My baby is hungry. You need to go. Meanwhile, if you must know, her name is Zuka. Fine girl.
Wow. I can't wait.
Don't tell me this. Don't. Let's go. Okay?
Alright, bye Olivia.
Bye.
Sammy, please wait for me. Let me make a quick call. Hey, honey.
Hi, darling.
I met someone who knows you.
Who is that? Me? I didn't know that I was that famous.
Her name is Ogie.
Okay, yes, I know Ogie. Is she still there? Can I talk to her?
Nah, it's fine. I left already. Don't worry, I'll see you soon. I love you.
I love you too, baby. I'm at home, I'll be waiting.
Mwah.
Ogekwa. Hey! What's Ogie doing with my bobo? Hey! That girl, no. Devil is a liar. Hey!
Hi, please can you come over? Yes, can I help you? Yeah, please can I have more drink meat, please? Fried meat or pepper soup? You know what, bring both.
Wait, don't mind her, okay? Just bring fried meat. It's okay.
Fried.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, nothing else. Yeah. Zuka. What is wrong with you? God. You're just drinking and drinking. Please, what if you're not even thinking of if this guy doesn't turn up?
Meaning?
Meaning that I don't have money to pay for all these things.
Besides, you've been drinking all day. Haven't you had enough?
See if I will ever have enough. Allow me to enjoy myself.
Okay. You know how to wash plate with detergent. Maybe me and you.
I thought I'm here to enjoy myself. Thank you. Thank you. Enjoy.
Enjoy now. Enjoy. You just eat.
Are you kidding me? Is that the guy? Oh, it's him. So big.
Hello, ladies.
Oh. You've kept us waiting.
I'm sorry for keeping you guys waiting.
Oh.
Yeah. Nice to meet you again.
Again? Do you guys know each other?
Yes, so.
Can I sit?
Yes, sit. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Wait. Am I missing something?
Trust me.
Sister, calm down.
Calm down for what?
So, Ike. Sorry.
You know what? I think we need to schedule this meeting.
Schedule what?
Yeah.
You know, remember you're supposed to give me something.
Before we go, let's pay for all the stuff we had.
Wait. Did you give me any money to keep for you?
Sorry, Ike. Sorry. Hang on, guys. I don't know what transpired between both of you, but you have to pay for this because I haven't got money on me.
Okay. I'll sort the bills.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Please. Can we reschedule this meeting after that?
Yes, we can.
Fine.
Thank you, Ike.
I'll pay for it.
Alright, thank you. What's that about?
What?
Do you know? Zuka. Food and drink. Hi.
Alright, see you.
You will tell me everything that happened. You must tell me everything that happened. What? Between you and him. What?